Hi everybody, I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Here's your forecast for your Monday. Things looking bright and hazy today. We do have an air quality alert in effect for southeast Minnesota and Wisconsin because of some smoke from wildfires in Quebec. Yes, coming from the opposite direction from what you'd normally expect, but there's a little jog in the upper levels of the atmosphere that's drawing that smoke in aloft from the northeast. And it's mixing down to the surface as the surface cold front moves through. And for us, it means isolated showers and thunderstorms with that front. Also, some of the presence of that smoke in the air. That's going to cause some problems for those with sensitive respiratory systems. And so that's to be a concern for many of us. Look for a high of 86 this afternoon, a light south breeze and a bit of haze in the air. They'll slowly mix out through time. Isolated showers, very small chance of that activity. Very hit or miss, very sparse activity. Afternoon and evening, 20% probability. Nothing all that widespread, but there's a chance here nonetheless. Air quality alert for much of the area, southeast Minnesota and Wisconsin are in that. Isolated storms tonight, just a few showers here and there, partly cloudy, otherwise low of 64. And your 7-day forecast, a few showers, a rumble of thunder or two often on Tuesday. Probably slightly better chance of rain overall, especially afternoon on Tuesday behind today's cold front. Beyond that, things do look bright and pleasant and more seasonal. Keep in mind, 70-something would be much more typical for this part of the month of June than the 80s. We've been in the 80s every day for an entire week. Now we start seeing something a little more seasonal showing up more often than not. In the next week, chance of showers also come back in on Saturday. 10-day temperature tracker looking at like we'll see some 80s next week, but for the most part, nothing unusual for June. A lot of 70s, a lot of 80s, and if we could use a little more rain, we're going to have just a couple of chances this week, and then things get drier as we move into next week. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. See you back here on Tuesday.